here's the second part of our difficult to pronounce food name series. Today we're doing these 5 words. Let's start with Filet Mignon. It's a small tender piece from the end of the tenderloin. We're not sure how people would usually say this, but the correct way to pronounce it is either Filet Mignon or Filet Mignon. Foie gras, the fattened liver of a duck or goose. For those who are unfamiliar with this type of food, they would probably pronounce this as foie gras. It's so much more entertaining than that. You have to pronounce it as foie gras with S being silent. Fusilli. It's a type of spiraled pasta. Since it originated in Italy, we read it as is. Some Americans pronounce it as Fusilli, but then, since Italian, say it as Fusilli, with an emphasis on the double consonant L. Gnocchi. It's the Italian version of dumpling. While some people say it as Gnocchi or Gnocchi, it's actually pronounced as Gnocchi. Remember that when you see a CH on an Italian word, it has to be pronounced like a K, and if you see a GN, it's Ñ. Ciabatta. Traditional Italian bread that is formed into an oval or rounded rectangular shaped loaf. It's not ciabatta or ciabatta, it's ciabatta, with an emphasis on the double consonant T. We hope you will feel more confident in pronouncing these 5 words. We'll have more in store for you on our next pronunciation video. Don't hesitate to comment below if you have suggestions. Share this video to your friends and have them subscribe.